Struck on the thigh pad and out. So a little inside edge, and the early breakthrough for New South Wales. McInerney out without scoring. Edged and taken at third slip by that man Shaw.
Right on cue.
The replay here again, Chad.
Just chopped across his pads, did he, Bowens?
No shot offered and given. Tom Kelly misjudging that one. Cutting into the hands of Edwards at second slip. Little bit of extra bounce there again. Edged out. First baller for Manenti.
Jackson.
Edged and out. Another wicket down for the South Australians. Another wicket for Jackson Bird. And another catch for Jack Edwards. Edged and another catch in the slips. It's the debutant Lockie Shaw takes his second catch for the game. And Doggett didn't last long.